Hi, all. Today we have a topic like which one topic which will really help us to reduce our costs. In other options is like cost optimization strategy. Really, its name is Six Sigma. It's like six aspects need to be merged together with two different type of dimensions. So we'll see the what is the Six Sigma actually. Say Six Sigma rule, Six Sigma rules. Same like six rules. Six Sigma is a set of techniques and tools for process improvement, originally developed by the Motorola in 1980s and widely accepted, adopted across the various industries to enhance business process and reduce defects. The goal of Six Sigma is to improve the quality of process outputs by identifying and removing the cause of defects and minimizing variability in a manufacturing and business process. It really streamlines two things. One is it will be correct the process, and second thing is it will help us to minimize the variability. So, and one more thing is like it will help us to fully utilization of the process. The principle, as name indicates, the six principles are there. One is customer focus. Everything is done with the customer in mind. Understand the customer needs and delivering what customer values is a paramount. Second is a data-driven decision making. Decisions are based on data and statistical analysis, not assumptions or guesswork. The second rule is very clearly indicating we should have enough data. So as we previously in many discussions, we discuss same things. We should have a proper data in our hand, and there should be some target also we should have. So then only we can identify which area we need to be streamlined with this process. And process focus. Process are studied and improved to reduce the variability and defects. The two main concern will be there. One is reduce the variability. Second thing is the defects, correct the defects if any. And proactive management, anticipate the problem before they occur and mitigate the risk. It's like we need to be predict the what issue will happen based on the data available, and we try to reduce the variance. Collaborations and teamwork. Success in a Sigma projects often requires a team effort and cross-functional collaborations and continuous improvement. Emphasize ongoing the improvement of a process to achieve incremental gains over the time. And this having two dimensions. One is DMAIC, and second one is uh, DMADV. We'll see in details what are the two things is in our Sigma. This one is DMAC. It's a short form of a process actually. D means define, M means measure, A means analyze, I improve, and C means control. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. This is a DMIC. Define the problems, project's goals, and customer internal external requirements. The basically, all businesses we are running, the first one for us, we should have enough demand. We should have enough conversions. So basically, it's try to understand what is the requirement of a market requirement, customer requirement, and how the strategy of a competitor, which will be really helping us to get more sales, and what the things they are adopting. These all things will be a part of our analysis. Measure, collect the data, determine the current performance, and quantify the problems. So identify the problems and correct data and see the performance, how it will be. Analyze, identify the root cause of defects and the opportunities for improvement. The second thing is we need to, third thing is will be to identify the root cause for the problem and try to find out the opportunities for improvement. Implement the solution to address to root cause, verify that solution is work. Then find out the solutions and verify either it will work or not. And control sustain the improvements by standardizing the process and implementing the controls. So once it will be ready, we will try to find out like this solution will be working for this specific type of problems. And once it will be identified and verified, then we'll fix the processes in the same way. So in future, sustainable improvement will be there. This is an DMAIC and simple examples. One is suppose we are running in a pizza shop. So first one is identify the problem. The problem basically in a pizza type of foods would be delivery, late delivery. Measure, collect the data on delivery times over the past months. Need to find out, the route ways, these sales the executive ways, which area and how much time in average it is taking times. Analyze, look for a patterns in the data. Are deliveries late at certain times of day? Are certain routes slower? Then we need to be focused on the points. Where is this a variance? It is in a delivery times or at certain route level. Then improve. Find solution based on the analysis. This might be include optimizing the delivery routes and preparing pizzas faster or hiring more drivers during the peak hours. This all will be there. End of the day, this demand will be only will happen if we can meet the demand of the customer. So the focus will be customer requirements, customer demand, how to improve the service. And the control, implement the changes and monitor the delivery times to ensure the improvements are sustained. Same the process is implementing in future also. Once it is implemented, we are trying to find out this is under control or it's from improving. And the result will be before suppose will be 70% of pizza are delivered within 30 minutes. Now after 95% are delivered within 30 minutes, leading to happier customer and better reviews. Surely, naturally, if you can make good your services will be more better, your review will be more and the customer feedback will be there and more intent, the customer will be, you'll get a more customers. Why it matters? One is quality. Customer get their pizzas on time, hot and fresh. Efficiency. The business runs more smoothly, wasting less time and resources. Profitability. Happier customers are more likely to return and recommend the service to others. So this is a DMAC. So define the project goals and customer requirements, determine the customer needs and the specifications, analyze the process option to meet the customer needs, and design the process to meet the customer needs, verify the design performance ability to meet the customer needs. DMIDV is basically in such a process like we are trying to be add something additional to your business or launching something additional. This mainly this concern is coming. You need to define the project goals and the customer requirements, measures and determine the customer needs and the specification, and this should be analyzed. Analyze the process of options to meet the customer needs, design the process to meet the customer needs, verify the design performance and ability to meet the customer needs. Suppose we are identifying a problem, introducing a new pizza flavor that meets customer expectations and stands out in the market. Then ASMR DMADV, define the goals, create a new pizza flavor that appeals to customer and create sales. And for scope of focus on flavor, ingredients, and cooking process, customer requirements. Understand the desired flavor, spicy, if it is required spice or vegetarian, exotic. And measure the customer surveys, collect the data on preferred flavors and ingredients. Market analysis, analyze the trends and competitive offerings. Benchmarking, measure the current sales and customer satisfactions. Analyze data analysis, identify the popular ingredients and flavor profiles. Feasibility study, assesses ingredients availability, cost analysis, calculate cost implementation of ingredients combinations. So basically, this is the things in a DMADV. And the thing is like we are designing concept of the development, create a new flavor, and conduct a test with focus groups, and recipe finalization, recipe based on the feedback we need to finalize, verify, pilot testing, launch the new flavor in a select locations, and the customer feedback we are collecting and adjustments, refine the recipe and the processes, full launch. And the results will be before limited flavor variety and segments, after new popular flavors, and increase sales and customer satisfactions. And the customer satisfaction designed based on the customer preferences, market differentiation, unique flavor stands out, and increase sales, boost the sales and market shares. So this is mainly the result of DMIDV also. So this Six Sigma is very important roles in our business, which we can really can implement. So, but above this, the matter is really there should be proper data in your hand. Thank you.